Hello, friends. Today we will discuss about swing gate openers with world-class systems integrated with technology. The convenience of automation with swing gates. Built to deliver unsurpassed safety and exemplary performance, the swing gate openers are tested and tried to meet the most stringent industry standards with thorough designing and installing secure gate applications. Swing gate openers are equipment installed at various corporate, private, and industrial premises to disallow illegal intrusions of vehicles to and fro. The automatic swing gate openers include a wide range of linear arms gate operators, underground systems, and articulated arm automation. The linear arms category is available in the electromechanical swing gate operator and the hydraulic version. The automatic swing gates provide increased convenience and security for the users. One can find a variety of door designs and systems along with motor designs and types. Seamless operation of swing gates. They are consistent in functionality and have a simple construction. They also require less maintenance and a very budget-friendly option as swing gates have lesser operational parts. The articulated arm swing gate operators put very less strain on the gate brackets and hinges, making it very efficient, durable, and convenient. The linear actuators are again economical and take up very little space as they eliminate any flamboyant arms protruding, while the underground swing operators provide a visually appealing look and can be used for all gate sizes. They are convenient to be used for all gate sizes. Having a swing gate opener helps unwanted solicitors from accessing the property. They can help with powerful motors that provide excellent torque with a soft start and a well-defined stop operation. Points to ponder while investing in a swing gate opener. The swing gates are very convenient as they can make any entry and exit effortless. While choosing the correct gate opener, a system to fit the needs of power and durability must be taken into consideration. The present-day swing gate openers come with cutting-edge engineering that delivers a superlative speed with a flexible opening. Programmable elements are inbuilt for high-speed operators in commercial applications and high-speed for turbo heavy-duty operators meant for industrial sites. The ones meant for operating heavy gates with effective power transmission and a quiet operation. They should have the attributes of withstanding a variety of working conditions like the wind, cold, and heat. If made with the use of high-quality maintenance-free materials, they can guarantee the longevity and trouble-free use of openers. Besides, they can also impart a stylish and modern look as desired. Also, while investing in a swing gate opener, it is essential that they can handle various temperature ranges and comes with an emergency release system. Perfected through years of diligence. Manufacturers of the swing gate openers operate out of a state-of-the-art facility backed by strong research and development. The attractive swing gate openers are appealing to the eye with their striking designs. The large distribution network has enabled the suppliers to deliver top-grade machines within stipulated timeframes. The automatic swing gate barriers, when paired with high-tech features like remote access systems, contactless smart cards, and keypads, have led to increased demand across the business or residential premises, or across any transportation hub. Extensive research in the swing gate industry has led to numerous advantages like better consistency, higher door surface smoothness, and accurate size. Upgradation of production technology for swing gates. The advanced technology in gate motors for swing gates is estimated to move towards intelligent development owing to integrated access control systems with mechanical locks, battery backup options, and multi-button design, and much more. Bottom line, swing gates carry a classic charm to them. Their presence can add splendor to any property and are easy to use, cost-effective, and provide utmost utility. With the advancement of technology, the swing gates can operate by themselves with high-end features embedded in them. To know more about swing gate openers, visit at www.quickautoly.com/n/. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.